Welcome, in front of me is a POCO C85, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be the home screen that is visible. Next, once you have your content open and visible, hold the power button and the volume down at the same time. You get this flash along with a pop-up, which will disappear in a moment. When it does, you can find your captured screenshot by going into your Photos application. Before I do so, just close all of them. There we go. So here we go, Photos app. And your screenshot will... No, I don't want to... Wow, nice change there, Google. You're really trying to hoover up all the data, I see. So once you select or open up your photos and granted whatever permission or not, like I did, your photo should show up right here. I'm not sure why it's trying to sync something when I have explicitly told it not to. And here you can see we have our screenshot visible. Normally it would be visible in here as well, but because Google is right now trying to sync photos without the permission and just failing to do so, it's not displaying anything here. Great design there. So we're going to navigate to collections, and in collections you'll find screenshot right here and also here as an option. Now typically that's one way that you can actually view this. And actually we can close this. There's one other way we can do this, so let's find our gallery application. So you have two different photos apps right here. One is from Google themselves and one is from Xiaomi. The reason I'm pointing out the Xiaomi one is because here we actually see all the photos visible in the Photos tab along with screenshots and screen recordings. But if we navigate to our albums and select screenshots and screen recordings, you have right here a bit more organized album. So we have screenshots as one tab, which only shows screenshots, and then screen recordings as a second tab. And you can see this is the screenshot that I have captured just a second ago. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.